Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here again at Treviso Bay. We are featuring our newest listing. This is Acqua Unit 433. It's a Bellini floor plan. It's part of the terrace line of condos that you'll find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. This Bellini here is 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, nice great room design, and comes with a full golf membership included. It's being offered turnkey, so everything that you see is going to be included in this home with the purchase price. As you come into the Bellini, this particular floor plan has been repainted in this nice gray shade here. And you've got your master bedroom over here on the left-hand side as you walk in. Nice king-size suite here. This room has also been painted a light grayish tone. You've got 2 closets here, nice hanging mirror, and then you've got your master bath with the single sink, the commode, and you have a standalone shower here. All the flooring is tile, nice transition here between the bedroom and the bath. So no carpet in this particular floor plan. Now directly across from the master you have your guest bathroom here with the single sink, the commode, and here you've got a combination tub and shower. And that's just off the guest bedroom here. Again, all tile. Everything repainted. Nice little setup here with the bifold closet doors there. Now coming out into the main hallway, you have the laundry room right here. Behind these bifold doors, full-size washer dryer with additional rack for storage directly above. And then we have your nice great room area, kitchen, flex space. This space here was originally designed to be a dining space, and these owners have repurposed it with a little workstation there. And you've got a nice pull-out style couch here. And just off the kitchen here with granite countertops, wood cabinets, full stainless appliance package. And this all overlooks your great room area here. And also your eating kitchen space. So here you can see it as a 4-top. There are 2 additional chairs that are stored, so you could have a 6-person table there. You've got the nice bay windows overlooking your views of the lake here in Acqua. And then you have your main living space here. It's a really nice setup as far as all the furniture and design. Everything matches really nicely. Everything's been repainted in here. One of the nicer units you're going to find with a golf membership. And this has an awesome view out the back. You've got the 4 chairs here, each with its own ottoman. And beautiful view here of the lake and preserve here at Treviso Bay. All right, guys, so this is our newest listing, Acqua Unit 433. This is being sold turnkey, so all the furniture that you see, the decor, the linens, the forks, spoons, knives, the Keurigs, everything comes with this. All you need is a toothbrush and a smile. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group. Thanks for watching, guys.